seen helicopter crashing in South Africa. Today is the 6th of September. I am seeing a helicopter crashing in South Africa.
Has crashed shortly after takeoff from an airstrip in Hilton in the KwaZulu-Natal Midlands, killing 2 people. It is believed that the plane was destined for the Umkomaas airfield on the province's south coast. Spokesperson for the South African Civil Aviation Authority, Kabelo Ledwaba, says a team of investigators have already begun collecting evidence on site.
The Accident and Incident Investigation Division has dispatched investigators to start the process of gathering information that will assist in establishing the cause or causes of a fatal accident that happened in Hilton in KwaZulu-Natal on Saturday afternoon, that is the 24th of October 2020. Initial reports indicate that the aircraft with 2 persons on board